Hey everybody, Technical Wizard here, and today we're going to be taking a look at my Macintosh Powerbook G3 Wall Street. This unit has sat for, oh geez, I can't even remember. I haven't turned it on since either winter or spring, but it's covered in dust. Open it up. I used to have two of these, except I chucked one of them because I used the hard drive out of it for RDOGO 412's laptop, his Toshiba Satellite 440 CDT that I put the new hard drive in. I just took the hard drive out of it a long time ago and chucked the rest. But anyways, this is the last Powerbook G3 that I have. This one is way better than the other one, because the other one, I'll show you. On the bottom of it, I think right here on the bottom of it was cracked. So, wasn't really a point in keeping it. The only reason I still have this one is because about a year ago or 2 years ago when I first got this unit, I looked for a battery for it and a disk drive. I couldn't find any though. But that's the only things that this thing is missing, which is a disk drive and a battery. Go ahead and plug in the charger. It's a standard Apple yo-yo charger. That's what they're called. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. I'll go ahead and plug this in. Turn it on. Speakers vibrate a little bit, but they still work. Keyboard's flopping around. First time I turned this one on in 2014, it made the crash noise. Takes a little bit for the screen to pop up. It's a PowerPC G3. I don't remember the speed. It's on the bottom of it. This one has an IBM hard drive with macOS 9.2. This unit does not have barely anything on it, making it pretty much useless. But other than that, it works perfectly fine. Which I thought about taking its hard drive out and using my Indigo clamshell to put stuff on it. Let me go ahead. It's got the Flower Power theme on it. The store opens right here. Just show all the ports. Can't really show them to you because of bad lighting. Oh wait, this doesn't have the Flower Power theme on it. It has the default theme on it. But I may remember how to take the hard drive out of it. But either way, I'm not going to waste too much time on this unit, because I barely even touch it anyways. I also have all my beige Macs lined up over here, because don't know what I'm going to do with them. And I don't have a monitor or a monitor converter because my last one died, making all these units pretty much useless, other than the Performa 200, because it's an all-in-one. I'll show it to you real quick. This unit right now does not have a hard drive, and I got this about a year ago. Okay, let me go ahead and type in my password. If I can remember it. Oh, there we go. You can see nothing on it. Go to about this computer. 192 megs of RAM. macOS 9.2.2. This unit does not have USB, so there's barely anything I can do with it. It's 266 megahertz. Hard drive. It's an IBM hard drive. It's 800 megabytes. So it's pretty small. There's not much on this unit. Go to the applications folder. You can see only a few applications, nothing good. No documents. So maybe you'll see this unit in the future. Highly doubt it, but anyways, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Like, comment, subscribe for more. Bye.